of the passing moment from our earliest days. We are told by loving mothers and by our teachers that each golden minute is made up of 60 little seconds, and that a minute lost is a minute gone from us forever. Full stop. If at the end of one flying minute, comma, we can show 60 seconds worth of distance run, comma, then we are told we shall become great men and women, comma, ours will be the earth and everything that is in it, full stop. But when we are children, the days are long, an hour is not made up of 60 golden minutes, it is a lifetime in itself, full stop. Each day, comma, we are quite sure will be followed by another day, comma, and all life is waiting for us, comma, reaching away into the far future, full stop. As children, we cannot cut up our day into so many seconds and minutes and hours. We do not measure time, and the words of our mothers and the lines in our copy books hold no real meaning for us, full stop. But there comes a day when we find that we have grown up, comma, and life itself teaches us at once what we could not at school, full stop. We find that the days are passing all too quickly, that our happiest hours are those which seem most short, and we learn, comma, to, full stop, that our employers expect us to follow the rules of the old copy books and to make each minute hold 60 seconds worth of work well done, full stop. We find that in most worthwhile work, the time taken to do the work is as important as the quality of the works itself, comma, that there is a time for the completing of every piece of work, and that if the work is not ready at that time, much of its value is lost, full stop. The values of the second, comma, the importance of the minute, comma, are things which are part of every shorthand writer's experience, full stop. The man driving the train does not need his copy book to tell him of the value of the passing moment, full stop. He cannot stop his train on the line and looking at the beautiful countryside, full stop. The fireman working at his side must put on the great fire when the requirements of the engine call for it, comma, not when he feels that he would like to do it, full stop. A committee asked to report on certain conditions as expected to get out the report while those conditions still exist.